I will show you how to make this toner with 12% lactic acid and mixed fruit acids. You may want to know some function of this toner and I'll give you a few. This toner will give the skin a mild to moderate exfoliation. It will help to kill acne bacteria thereby rapidly eliminating acne and pimples. It will help to minimize large skin pores. It will help to fade hyperpigmentation, brighten the skin to lightening the skin. It will help to keep the skin hydrated and moisturized at the same time. It will help to fade wrinkles and fine lines, thereby promoting anti-aging. It will help to renew the skin cells and thereby making the skin really smooth. It will help to fade dark spots and also help in keratosis pilaris, which is also known as strawberry skin or chicken skin. It can also help to clear sunburn, even though that it might cause sensitivity to sunburn. So make sure to watch this video to the end so you can get the guidelines for use for this product. Having known some of the precious benefits of this toner, I will show you in simple steps how I made this toner. Hello and welcome back to this video. So in making this 12% lactic acid toner with mixed fruit acids, I'll first be weighing out my lactic acid, and here I'll be using the liquid lactic acid. Lactic acid is originally gotten or derived from sport milk. It contains enzymes that help to shed out dead skin cells and also help to hasten cell renewal, thereby exfoliating the skin mildly. I am making 100 grams batch size of this toner, so I would weigh out 12 grams of lactic acid. Next, I'll be weighing in my Hydrosol, also known as floral waters. I like using hydrosols in place of distilled water in my formula to enhance its effect. So yeah, I'm weighing out guava leaf hydrosol as one part, and I'm also going to be weighing in lemon juice hydrosol. Both hydrosol are a powerhouse of vitamin C and citric acid, which is quite a great choice for this formula. In totality, I have 57 grams of my hydrosol, 27 grams for guava, and 30 grams for lemon juice hydrosol. So after weighing this out, I'll set this aside and then I'll weigh out my mixed fruit acid. Here I have the powdered form water soluble mixed fruit acid. This is a mixture of different fruit acid and it's of great importance to exfoliating products. Mixed fruit acid like lactic acid and the other AHAs can be used alone or together with other products to provide a mild exfoliation to the skin. I'll simply dissolve the mixed fruit acid powders with the weighed out hydrosol, and this will dissolve very rapidly. Here, let me use this short time to welcome you all to my channel. If you're new on this channel, hi, welcome to Primeside. On this channel, I share videos and recipes of safe, natural, and effective formulation for skincare and hair care and beauty in general. Please support me by subscribing to this channel, turn your notification bell so you can always get my posts whenever I upload. To my returning subscribers, you guys have always been the best. Thank you so much for all your support. Please help me like this video and thank you so much. So after completely dissolving my mixed fruit acid, I will then weigh in my vegetable glycerin into this. Vegetable glycerin is a super humectant that will help to keep the skin hydrated and also help lactic acid to function by hydrating and moisturizing the skin as well. I will have 15 grams of my vegetable glycerin and give this a warm stir. Now in the remaining hydrosol in my beaker that I didn't use up all to dissolve the mixed fruit acid, I'm going to be dissolving allantoin in this one. Allantoin in this formula is very much optional. It will help to alleviate skin irritation and dryness. It will also help to aid lactic acid in conditioning and moisturizing the skin. Allantoin is going to take a long time to dissolve really because it loves to be dissolved in warm water with neutral pH. However, I'll give it some time to dissolve completely. I will make sure that my allantoin dissolves completely so that it doesn't affect the rest of the formulation. While I wait for the allantoin to fully dissolve, I will weigh out sodium lactate into my formulation. Sodium lactate is also a humectant, a conditioner, and also a penetration enhancer that will help to carry this product into the skin for fast results. After my allantoin is fully dissolved, I'm just going to pour in my formulation into it and mix evenly. And then I would add my lactic acid, 12 grams already weighed out, and then I'll give this a warm stir. The next is to check the pH of this product. Considering that this product contains lactic acid 12% and mixed fruit acid also, the best pH for it to be should be around 3 for a maximum exfoliating experience. So I'd get my pH strips and place a few drops of the solution on the pH strip. Matching the strip against my pH paper, I got a pH of exactly 3, and that was exactly what I wanted. So I'll go ahead to add my preservative. Here I'm using ethanol because of the pH of this product. I also do not want this regular transparent color for my toner. I wanted a kind of blue tan color, so I mixed a little food coloring in water and I added a few drops into this. Just a few drops gave me the light blue tan color I wanted for this, and this is absolutely beautiful. Right now this toner is ready to be used, but I'll share a few guidelines on using this toner. We've discussed a few benefits and function of this toner from the beginning of this video. I also stated that this toner can trigger sun sensitivity, hence it should be used in the night and not in the day. Also, when using this product, you should make use of your sunscreen in the day to avoid sun sensitivity. 12% is also quite high for a very sensitive skin, so if you must make this for a very sensitive skin, you may as well reduce the percentage of lactic acid to about 5 and also increase the pH to about 5.5. Hence, the very sensitive skin user may experience some burning sensation after using the product. Also, if you have a non-sensitive skin, you may feel a little tingling feeling while using this product, and it's totally normal for a product containing AHAs and BHA. Effect of this product, especially in minimizing acne and smoothing the face, will be seen around 7 to 14 days with consistent usage. The shelf life of this product is up to 2 years. If you have any more questions, you can drop that in the comment section. I hope you subscribed and liked this video already. My ebook on toners and serums are available. You can see details in the description box. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.